Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding with custard powder. Start by whisking custard powder with sugar and a small amount of cold milk into a smooth slurry before adding to hot milk. Stir constantly to avoid lumps and cook until thickened. Taste and adjust sweetness or vanilla, then cool for best texture. I'll also share quick flavor ideas and storage advice for leftovers, all in a friendly, easy pace. I'll explain the simple ingredient list and exact ratios so you can recreate the pudding reliably. Measure custard powder and sugar precisely, and use full fat or lower fat milk depending on desired creaminess. Mix the powder and sugar with cold milk first to form a lump-free slurry. Heat remaining milk gently, then pour slurry in while stirring. Finish with flavorings or extras like chocolate or fruit and cool before serving. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It fills the kitchen with music and sets timers hands-free while you cook, making pudding prep more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up. I find it handy and playful. Now let's get back to the video. Here I'll walk through stovetop and no-cook techniques so your pudding turns out smooth every time. Keep heat moderate and whisk constantly as the mixture thickens. High heat can curdle or scorch. If you prefer a no-cook approach, whisk well and chill for thicker results without boiling. Strain if needed and adjust thickness by simmering briefly or adding a touch more milk. Serve warm or chilled with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.